my peeps to get paid.
Greetings, YouTube. Elaine Unleashed catching from right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. This evening, we're out here at our 3-foot by 6-foot Hugo Kutcher garden planter that we named Sweet Baby Red as suggested by Sharon Harris of Tallahassee, Florida. If you guys have been following the video series on this planter, you know that earlier in the spring, we planted Beauregard sweet potatoes, in which we harvested on July 4th of this year. And with a video in our playlist, if you guys would like to see that video, we immediately came back and planted sugar baby watermelon seeds. Well, what turned out to be sugar baby watermelon seeds in this planter that we actually harvested from a store-bought melon that was not a sugar baby watermelon. We supposed that it was a hybrid of that of a sugar baby watermelon and probably most likely crimson watermelons. At any rate, I'm going to flip this camera around and show you guys what's going on with our vines out here. We've harvested a total of well over 2 dozen watermelons from this planter. Our vines are completely spent at this point. We get ready to pull our vines up, but we want to show you guys one watermelon that's left on the vine out here. When I tell you this guy's tiny, it's tiny. I mean, I've never seen a watermelon in the history of ever this tiny, but it shows all the signs of being fully ripe. All of the signs, you classic signs that you look for when you're checking to see if a watermelon is actually ripe on the vine. This particular melon is actually displaying all of those signs. And again, we're going to flip this camera around for you guys right now and show you what's going on and show you how tiny this watermelon is. We are indeed going to harvest this watermelon. We're going to take it inside. We're going to cut it open and show you guys what it looks like on the inside. Hang tight. Indeed, Sweet Baby Red. And guys, look at that planter. Those vines are completely spent, completely decimated. We've harvested, again, well over 2 dozen melons from this planter. But take a look at this, guys. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. We have what must be the world's tiniest sugar baby melon here in our garden. Can you guys see that little tiny guy down in there? I'm not sure why it didn't get any bigger than this. It's been on the vine for quite a while now, and as you can see, the spoon leaf from this guy is completely gone. That pigtail down there is completely dry. The one on the vine previous to that one is completely dry. The one on the vine after that one also is completely dry. Here, if you guys can see that next to my finger there. And we do have that yellow spot on the bottom down there. So we're going to take this little guy off the vine, take it inside, cut it open, and show you guys what it looks like on the inside. Will it be ripe, YouTube? If you think this melon is going to be ripe, comment in the comment section below right now. If you actually think this melon is going to be ripe when we take it on the inside. Here we go. Yeah. This must indeed be the world's tiniest ever sugar baby watermelon. Look at that. About the size of a large plum. I'm gonna take this guy on the inside, cut it open right now and show you guys what it looks like on the inside. Hang tight. Alright, YouTube, here we are in our kitchen with what we're terming as the smallest sugar baby watermelon in the world. You guys just saw us harvest that from our 3-foot by 6-foot Hugo Kutcher garden planter out in our front yard that we named Sweet Baby Red. And we're going to cut this little thing open right now and show you guys what it looks like on the inside. Will it be right? Hang tight. Wow. Would you look at that, YouTube? This thing is completely ripe. I haven't tasted it yet. But again, this must indeed be the smallest sugar baby watermelon on the planet. And it's ripe. I'm going to measure this thing right quick and see exactly what the diameter is on this thing. And I'll get right back with you guys. Alright guys, here it is. An actual measurement of how tiny this sugar baby watermelon is. Can you guys see that? Is my camera going to focus on it? Not sure why it's not focusing, but if you look clearly, you can see we have a diameter of about 2.5 inches. Is that tiny or what? And again, this little guy is completely ripe. You can see how deep red it is on the inside. I'm going to take a spot to this thing, turn the camera around, and show you guys what it looks like. Hang tight. Alright guys, got my tiny little slice here, and this is going to be some terrible camera work here, but yeah, got my tiny little slice here. I'm going to take a bite right now and let you guys know exactly what it tastes like, good or bad. Hang tight. Okay. No exaggeration at all. That tiny little thing is sweet. How can, wow, I mean, 2.5 inches in diameter, completely ripe, and it's sweet. I can't believe that. At any rate, guys, I'm going to flip this camera around one more time, and well, I'll just show you here again. This is what that little guy looks like from the inside. 2.5 inches in diameter, completely ripe and sweet. Wow. At any rate, if you're currently watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and share the video with your friends and family if you don't mind. The world's smallest sugar baby watermelon, grown right here in Grow Zone 8B, Tifton, Georgia, at the Green Thumb Gardening channel.
Trying to pave the way for me and my peeps to get paid. Hit the bathroom, splash some cold water on my face. Okay, thanks to Jah for letting this life you see another day. Herbal meditation, elevation is the booth. Ain't much of a drinker, but they call this lion 100 proof. Ain't 1990, but this lion's about to raise the roof. Get tested, let me tell you what this lion's gonna do. I'm known for ripping hitters just like I did the last time, cause I shut them down every time I say what's on my mind. It was years ago when I first hit the rap game, and way back then nobody really even knew my name. But it's a different time, a different city, different state. I started out small, but now this lion's heavyweight. Can you picture this? Sit back and watch me reminisce. I'm knocking haters off and I got your name up on my list. This line is on the rise. You can see it in my eyes. I'm aiming for the top prize. I know it's been a minute. That don't mean I fell off. Rap king of the streets, and yeah, I'm still the boss.